Hey everyone, hoping you're all doing well. I am back with yet another delicious recipe. We know Christmas is around the corner. We would like to treat our family. So today I am going to show you guys how I made these chicken breast stuffed with Boursin cheese and asparagus. Stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. I have 3 pieces of chicken breast and I've cleaned this with lemon and water. What I'm going to do now is using a sharp knife, I'm just making an incision on the side, and this is going to help me to open the chicken breast because this is where I will be stuffing the cheese and the asparagus. So please ensure that you are not completely cutting your chicken breast into 2 because you would need to stuff it with the cream cheese. So just make sure that you've cut it in such a way that it opens out flat. Once I have finished prepping my chicken breast, it will be time to season. I'll be seasoning the chicken breast on each side using the same measurement of seasonings. Also guys, don't forget to season your chicken breast using your preferred seasonings of choice. Once I have finished seasoning one side of the chicken, I'm just rubbing the seasoning in on the chicken. I'll flip it over and then repeat the seasonings on the opposite side. Once I have seasoned the opposite side, I am just rubbing all the seasoning in well on this chicken to ensure that every part of this chicken breast is well seasoned. Next, I will set it aside and allow it to marinate for 5 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, time to get our cheese out, and I'm using the Boursin garlic and herb flavor. Guys, if you have not used this cheese, I don't know about you, but you are missing out. This cheese is nice and soft, and not only is it nice and soft, it's full of flavor. Sometimes when I'm making mashed potato, I add some of this cheese in it. Oh my goodness, it makes it nice and creamy and it's just delicious. So if you have not tried it, please kindly go and get yourself some and make this recipe because you are going to love it. Now that I have my cheese ready, I am just going to stuff the chicken with the cheese, and then I will also add the asparagus and then fold the other part of the chicken breast over, and then I will repeat the same steps with the remaining 2 of the chicken breast. And I have finished stuffing my chicken breast. They look amazing. Time to sear the chicken breast, and I'll be using a skillet to do this because I will also be baking the chicken breast in the oven. I've allowed my skillet to come to heat where it's nice and smoky, and I've just added a little bit of olive oil. Next, I'm going to add the chicken breast, and I'm just going to sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat until the chicken breast has this beautiful golden color on each side. And about 2 to 3 minutes later, on one side, I'm just going to turn the chicken breast and allow the opposite side to also sear for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Once the chicken breast has seared on the opposite side for 2 to 3 minutes, I have just added about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and I've allowed the butter to melt. Now I'm going to baste the chicken breast in the melted butter, and guys, this is just going to ensure that the chicken breast remain succulent. We know that chicken breast can be quite dry, but do this and I'm telling you, your chicken breast will be nice and juicy. Also, once I have finished basting, I'm going to place the chicken breast in a preheated oven at 200 degrees and allow the chicken breast to bake for 10 minutes. And guys, the stuffed chicken breast is ready. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible, guys. Christmas is here. Serve this with some creamy mashed potatoes and you are in for a treat. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Just look at the Boursin cheese, which has just oozed out of this chicken breast, and look at how juicy this chicken breast look. Oh my goodness, enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.